Here, I'll sit there. That's because we needed the table the normal way.
That's not why. I don't know what it is.
Welcome to...
I thought having all these other lights would... Good.
Do you want those pop-up lights? They're in the closet.
I don't know what I want. I don't know what's going on. I don't know. I don't know.
Plus, those lights are aimed backwards.
Well, that's because it's called balance, so that it's soft. So there aren't any harsh lines on your face.
What are you doing? It's like, really? Well, how would you follow GPS? You're not even in the right vicinity. Hey! You're not in the right vicinity of town. You're over in Oak Park. We're supposed to be downtown by 8 shooting.
Why? No, do your own. But you're creating yours. You're creating your aesthetic. Alright. Well, yeah, people do
And I got
promote.
my own dish factory.
Yeah, you could promote her and become known as Pioneer Woman, Urban Pioneer Woman. That could be your rebranding of her products.
That's only some measured movement crap, though. This is just pretty stuff.
Did I? Oh yeah, I forgot. I don't think they ate last night. I'm just kidding. They had burritos and chips. Could you imagine? Oh yeah. So yeah, you would have known it all. Floral design, and it's gonna be a one-time print.
Yeah, these are Black Friday. Ready? Hi! Welcome to Carter's Tiny Homestead. Today, I'm here with my granddaughter Lily, and we are going to talk about Pioneer Woman. So Pioneer Woman is one of my favorite kitchen items to display, and for Black Friday, I was able to get this wonderful set of knives. But the thing
Bring it closer.
So they had two different designs. This one and another set. Oh, I have a picture of another set, David. I'll send it to you. So they have this set and another set of colors. Well, what happened was, I guess they oversold the other set, so they sent me two of the same colors. So what can you do? But they also didn't charge me for it. So I basically got my set, and then I got another set for free. So I decided to take the set that I got for free and give it as a nice giveaway. So I'll tell you what's in this nice set. It's called a...
Well, let's look at the
This
design.
is a Santikuwu knife. So what does a Santikuwu knife do? It cuts up Santikuwu.
What's the other one called?
The other one is a utility knife. So utility knives are for basically anything. Here's a chef. Are you ready? What are you handing? This is called a tomato cheese knife. And this one is a bread knife. Oh, what is that called? And this is a bread knife. Who's calling on the back door? Call back.
This is a paring knife, and then this one's a chef's knife. Someone's paring and the big one's chef.
Show it to the camera. The floral design.
I like that design.
Got a nice grip handle.
It has a butterfly on it. It's kind of cool.
I think they all have butterflies on it. Yeah, they all.
This one.
Pretty cool. Oh yeah, that was just polka dots. They get to win them by commenting. Why, you have a competition?
Huh?
Well, how are they going to win it?
By what you said.
Which is?
Which is what you just said right now.
So what they're gonna do is, this is how they're gonna win though.
They have to comment in the comments.
They have to subscribe, they have to be a subscriber. So they have to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel.